Isang maganda umaga guys. Yeah. So ito yung ating location ng lalagyan ng tie rod. Medyo malalim yung tubig. Ang una natin gagawin guys, ipapumping out muna natin itong tubig na to. Ayan, ibababa na natin yung cellwood. Install natin yung pipe para ma-pumping out. Yan, pati sa kabila may tubig. Yan, sa Sabado ng linggo kasi kahapon walang pasok linggo, so yan, medyo lumalim yung tubig. So ngayong pumping out natin ganito guys. So ibababa lang natin yung tubig. So na yan, tutuloy natin yung 53 or 54, tingnan natin kung alin yung pwedeng gawin natin guys. Yan guys, pinapumping out na natin yung tubig. Yan yung cellwood natin. Yan. So yung cellwood, sinisip-sip yung tubig. Yan. Yan naman tubig na sinisip-sip dyan, yun yung water compaction natin guys. Yan, medyo malalim yung tubig. Siguro mga before last tapos na yan. So pag natapos na yan ng tubig, na alis na natin tubig, mag-start na tayo mag-prepare ng preparasyon para sa tie rod installation. Yan. Ito lang ang tatanggalin natin, kapraso lang yan, ma-access. So open lang natin yan para mailagay natin yung mahabang tie rod. Okay, ayun na yung kamyong, yung lalagyan ng tie rod. So for the time being, we're going to do right now pumping out of water, and at the same time the watering system is running also, so it fit to finish to pumping out this water guys. Mabilis na natin itong may pumping out. Meron tayong isang assistant na mahawak sa hose mask para sipsipin yung tubig. Dire-diretso lang yung ating working for pumping out of the water. Ayun yung ating cellwood. Yan guys, pumping out of water, our activities for this morning is continuing to pumping out the water. We are using the cellwood. At the same time, the watering system is running out also. So it quick to finish to move out the water out there in the plank area. So look at this, the mark of the water is going down almost 80 centimeter down. Yeah, almost 80 centimeter down. Yeah, and guys, our working right now is for pumping out of the water. We're going to do to empty this area in order so that we can start for our tie rod installation for 53, 54. We can see if we can do 53, 54. Yan guys, malapit na natin matapos sipin yung tubig. Kunti na lang natin ito na. Siguro mga isang oras pa ito bago matapos. Yan na yung status ng tubig natin. Simula kayo na umaga guys. Update ko kayo mamaya kung ano oras ito matatapos. Yan guys, in progress yung natin yung pumping out ng tubig dito sa ating hukay.